లోక్సభ సమావేశాలను లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
मौका मिलेगा। मुझे लगता है कि आप मेरे इस प्रस्ताव से सहमत होंगे। माननीय सदस्यगण, सामान्य परिस्थिति में अध्यक्ष द्वारा प्रश्नों के लिए तथा गैर सरकारी कार्य के लिए नियत दिवसों की सूचना माननीय सदस्यों को समन जारी करने के साथ दी जाती थी। सरकार के अनुरोध पर विचार करते हुए इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए लोकसभा प्रतिदिन केवल 4 घंटे के लिए बैठेगी। मैंने प्रक्रिया नियमों के नियम 389 के अंतर्गत अपने विवेक का उपयोग करते हुए इस सत्र के लिए समन जारी किए जाने के ये निर्देश दिए थे। प्रश्नों के लिए गैर सरकारी कार्य के लिए कोई दिन नियत न किया जाए। बाद में ऐसे तारांकित प्रश्नों के दिन आवंटित किए हैं जिसकी सूचना आपको बुलेटिन के माध्यम से मिल चुकी है। अतः मैं माननीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वह तारांकित प्रश्नों और गैर सरकारी कार्य में अपना प्रस्ताव प्रस्तुत करें।
Sir, I rise to move the motion, keeping in the view that
माननीय सदस्य,
current session of the Lok Sabha is being held in extraordinary circumstances, prevailing.
एक बार उनको प्रस्ताव करने दें।
Sir, I rise to move the motion, keeping in view that the current session of Lok Sabha is being held in extraordinary circumstances, prevailing due to the COVID-19 pandemic, requiring maintenance of social distancing and keeping the movement of government officials and other within the parliament premises to the bare minimum. This House resolves that start questions and private member business may not be brought before the House for the transaction during the session, and all the relevant rules on these subjects in the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Lok Sabha may stand suspended to that extent.
माननीय सदस्य प्लीज बैठकर माननीय सदस्य प्लीज। माननीय सदस्यगण, हमने सदन से व्यवस्था दे दी गई है कि कोई भी माननीय सदस्य खड़े होकर नहीं बोलेगा। हाँ, अधीर रंजन जी बैठकर।
Sir, the argument and the sir, please. Sir, the argument and the rationale that have been dished out by Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister in regard to the revocation of question hour, I think is far from convincing. Sir, question hour is recognized as the essence of the parliamentary democracy. Not only that, question hour could be interpreted as the soul of the House. Sir, not now. The first Legislative Council set up under the Charter Act of 1853 was primarily meant for making laws and regulations. The Charter Act did not define the powers of the Legislative Council, but the Council showed some degree of independence by asking questions as to and discussing the propriety of the measures of the executive government. Sir, question hour means executive answerable होते हैं, executive accountable होते हैं legislation. और बात क्या है सर? आम लोगों की जो समस्या है, आम लोगों के सामने पेश करने के ये सबसे बड़ा हमारा मौका है। तो इट्स ए गोल्डन आवर। क्वेश्चन आवर इज सिंपली ए गोल्डन आवर ऑफ आस, बट ऑन द एक्सक्यूज ऑफ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी सिचुएशन आप कहते हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन आवर नहीं होगा। सर, जब सर बोले दीजिए सर प्लीज। सर ये जो बात यह कहे जा रहे हैं सर, ये बात बिल्कुल अजीब सा लग रहा है, क्योंकि सब सदन हम चलाते हैं, सदन चलाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन आपका सिर्फ एक ही जगह दिक्कत होते हैं, वो क्वेश्चन आवर में। क्यों क्वेश्चन आवर को सिंगल आउट किया जाते हैं सर? ये हमारा सवाल है, क्योंकि ये ब्रिटिश जमाने से क्वेश्चन आवर की ये क्वेश्चन आवर चलते हैं सदन के अंदर, और आप आजादी की 73 साल बाद आप क्वेश्चन आवर को हटाकर लोकतंत्र की गला घुटने का काम कर रहे हैं हमारे ये सरकार के खिलाफ। यही सबसे बड़ा सर लास्ट
ओके,
सर लास्ट
ओके।
सर बोलने
ओबीसी
दीजिए
जी,
सर। ये
आपका प्रस्ताव ओबीसी जी,
सर एक चीज-
आपकी भावनाएं,
बस एक छोटा चीज सर छोटा
Sir, the question hour
Sir,
and private business
sir, answer
are cornerstone of our democracy.
Sir, please, sir.
And it is very much essential for the existence of parliamentary democracy. Question hour and private members bill are also part of theory of separation of powers. The Honorable Minister has a dishonorable distinction. By moving such a motion, he is weakening the theory of separation of powers, which is part of a basic structure of a constitution. I urge you, Speaker, not to allow the executive to encroach on the territory of the legislature. It is a shameful day if question hour and private business is not taken up. Sir, lastly, sir, I request you that on behalf of my party, I'm asking for division, sir. There should be a division on this, sir.
ओके, मैं नियम को बता दूंगा आपको अभी। नो डिवीजन, नो डिवीजन। हाँ बताओ मनीष जी, आप बताइए।
सर, अरे यार बोलने तो दो। स्पीकर सर, we are very cognizant of the fact, that the extraordinary circumstances in which this Parliament session has been convened. We are also deeply appreciate the arrangements which have been made in order to make this session possible. But however, Mr. Speaker, sir, while recognizing that under Rule 32 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Lok Sabha, you have the authority to suspend the question hour, I would like to draw your attention to page 473 of Call and Shakhdar and read just one paragraph which is extremely important, Mr. Speaker, sir. This is Practice and Procedure of Parliament. Speaker, sir,
प्रश्न आगे का उससे
Speaker,
आगे
sir,
का प्रश्न संख्या नियम और भी पढ़ दो।
No, Speaker, sir,
आप तो
Speaker, sir, I'm just pointing out, with great respect, I'm pointing out that Call and Shakhdar says, page 473, in very exceptional cases, question hour may be dispensed with for making available more time to other business or to take up some urgent business only if the House unanimously agrees. Speaker, sir, the qualification is that the House must unanimously agree, because this is the only time when the opposition can hold the government accountable.
हाँ, अभी आप
Sir, we appreciate that in the present prevailing situation, Parliament has been commenced and it will continue for 18 days. But sir, we should remember at the same time, the question hours is also integral part of the basic structure of the parliamentary procedure, and we can't destroy that part. Sir, today, if the government is having their pressure for passing the bill, we are also having our views to express, and naturally, this is the only
किसी पर
time,
किसी
sir,
का
this is the
दबाव
only-
नहीं है,
this
सदन
is-
चलना चाहिए,
this is-
सब एक मत
No,
है।
this is the only time. This is the only time we get the answers from the Honorable Minister, sir. Therefore, kindly do not take away this advantage of us. Really, it will take, sir, really it will take the entire glamour, 50% glamour of the running of the Parliament. People also want to hear the answers from the ministers. This is the glamour. They wait for that. They want to see. That is being taken away.
माननीय प्रहलाद जोशी जी।
Sir, I would very humbly submit, sir, before arriving at this decision, Honorable our Deputy Leader in the Lok Sabha and also Raksha Mantri of the country, and myself and my colleagues in the Parliament Shri Muralidharan and Shri Arjun Meghwal ji, we have spoken to the almost all leaders of the various parties. And also I would like to clarify, in this extraordinary situation, your kind self agreed to the proposal to run the session for the 18 sittings. And I would like to ask very humbly to the various leaders who questioned the suspension of the question hour, sir, all assemblies, including Punjab, West Bengal and Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, you have, no, when you have spoken, when you are speaking, we have listened, kindly listen to me. They have not even run a session, sir, only 2 minutes, sir.
हो गया मैं
2 minutes, sir, 2 minutes. And they have run the session for 2 days or 1 day, and they have passed 20-25 bills. Whereas the government of India, under the leadership of Modi, we decided to run for 18 days and having discussion of all the bills. Second, sir, and in people who are talking, this is the basic structure of the parliament. In 1975, what had happened, entire country knows, and history is the witness for that, sir. And third thing is, already I have spoken, I have already said, in 1962 question about suspended, 75 suspended, 1976 suspended.
माननीय मंत्री जी मैं व्यवस्था दे रहा हूँ 1 मिनट
No, last point, sir.